Hi, welcome back again. And in this lesson, we briefly want to talk about personalizing your Windows machine. So right here on my screen, I'm on a Windows operating system, and I want to personalize the feel of this system according to my own preferences. So as a computer user, this is very important because you might want to see like you customize your phone. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you practical steps to doing this. So first of all you need to do is from your desktop, just right click. And when you see these options, just come to personalize. And from personalize, you can see options on your left hand side. You have the background, you have the colors, you have the lock screen, you have the themes, you have fonts, start, and taskbar. So let's start with the background first. Now, this is the background which we have currently, but this is the default Windows background. But we don't like this, so we want to change it. We can either choose from here. We can choose from these pictures. That is the default pictures that comes with the PC, with the operating system. Or we can choose our own pictures. Like if you have pictures saved on your PC already, you can select anyone from there and just click on choose picture, and it's going to do that for you. But because we don't have pictures here, I'm just going to choose this. That's what I like best according to what you prefer. And then I can choose the fit for it. So if I want it to be filled, if I want it to stretch, you can see that the background changed. So if you want to center it, you can also center it, but I don't want center, I want the stretched one. So from there, we can go to colors. And on colors, I don't want the custom color, I want the dark color. So I've chosen dark, and you can see that the PC changed immediately. I want the transparency effect to be on, and then you can also choose what colors you want for the active taskbars, header, and bottom. For here, I want to choose this, and that's my chosen color. And I'm also going to choose this here. I'm going to choose for this accent color, I want this color to apply to the title bars and window borders. I want it to apply to the taskbar and icon center also. So I'm clicking all of that to customize the feel of our lock screen. So I'm going to choose a different background for my lock screen. If you want to choose your own personal picture, you can also choose your personal picture from your pictures folder. You can choose to use slideshow if you want it, but I don't want slideshow. I just want a picture. So I'm going to go with this particular picture. You can customize the apps which you will see on your lock screen also from here. And then you can show lock screen background picture on sign-in screen. And if you don't want to show it, you can just switch it off. You can toggle it off. Now we go to the themes. This is our current theme, and I can save this theme if I want to, like we can change the cursor. You can change how the cursor feels too. There are a lot of settings which you can actually play around with. So for the pointer, I can decide to use this pointer, and I can decide to change the buttons, the way the buttons click. I can change the pointers, how fast the pointer speed is. You can change the pointer precision. And according to your requirements, you can change how your touchpad actually relates. For the touchpad, you can enable it to show in your tray. This is what they call tray. This area is your tray. The whole of this portion is called your taskbar. And the only thing I want to change is my cursor field. So I've changed that, and I'm clicking on OK. So from there, you can save this theme if you want it. But if you don't want it, you can go ahead and see other themes that are here. So we have the Windows default theme. We have the Windows Lite. We have the Windows 10, and we have the flowers. So you can actually change all of these settings according to your requirements. Now let's see the desktop icon settings. Desktop icon settings, you can bring in your computer, you can bring in your control panel, you can bring in your network, all on your desktop. And then you can click on the apply, and you can see all of those folders which we highlighted just now. They are right there on our desktop. So from themes, you can go to fonts also. You can select the font which you want to use. Whichever font you feel that is more interesting to you, you can actually choose that font. You can change the size of the font. You see that? You can change how your computer literally feels to you according to your requirements. So for me, I'm just going to stay with 18, with the 18, and that's going to be it. So for the start menu, which is this menu, your Windows logo, this is your start menu. You can do a number of things here. Show more tiles on start. You can switch it off if you don't want more tiles on the search. You can switch it off. You can show apps in the start menu. If you don't want it, you can toggle it off. You can show recently added apps. If you don't want it, you can toggle it off. And a whole lot of other settings which can be of help and make your PC personalized. And then we go to the taskbar, which is this bar which you see below. You can lock the taskbar. Locking it, if you don't lock it, you can change the size from here. You can see I made it big and I made it small. But if you lock your taskbar, that option will be gone. So you cannot enlarge it anymore from here. Automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. If I toggle it on, it's going to go into hiding. But if you come down, it will show up. If you remove the cursor, it goes off. So you can actually customize or personalize your desktop as you like with these few settings. So if you have questions about this tutorial, drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be taking all questions, and I'd love to see you in the next one.